Namaste everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. I'm Pooja from Mahali, a consultant by profession and also an art of living facilitator for children and teens. So today we are going to learn something about Warli Art. Warli Art is basically tribal art of Maharashtra, which was done on huts earlier, but these days it is prevalent all over. It is being done on saris, whether paintings, everything generally. So today we are going to do some basic figures so that we can create a scene or something out of it later on. We'll take a white sheet. And we are going to make 9 blocks. So first figure which we are going to make is of a man. Figures are basically made out of shapes, so I'm going to use a lot of shapes when we are going to make figures. So the first figure is of a man. I'm putting a cross and then I'm going to close it with a sleeping line, another sleeping line. This becomes the body. 2 standing lines small for the neck, and for the face a circle, and for the legs slanting line, and the shoe slanting line, big, small, and again. Now let's move to the hands. 1 slanting line down, 1 up, 1 slanting line down and 1 up. So this becomes a man. Now if you want to show a woman, we are going to use the same basic figure. Circle, standing line, sleeping line, followed by cross. Again this slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down for the foot, another slanting line and a small one, and then the shoe. Now here for the woman we are going to make a small bun. So this becomes a woman. Let's make a girl. Basic figure remains the same. A cross, sleeping line down, sleeping line up. We've made a body. Then 2 standing lines for the neck, and then a nice circle. So now for the girl, what we are going to do, we are going to make 2 plaits and in the shape of leaves, and we can fill them. And now the hands, slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up. Then the legs, slanting line down, and then again down, foot, slanting line, and again. So this becomes a girl. We've made 3 figures, and let's complete the family, and we're going to make a boy now. So again the basic figure remains the same for the boy also. Cross, sleeping line up, 2 small standing lines for the neck, circle for the face, and since we'll make hands in a little different way, slanting line up and then down, straight line, slanting line up and then straight line, slanting line down, one more down, and then feet. slanting line, small slanting line, then the feet. Now for the boy, we are just going to make some small hair here up. Yeah. We are going to make a girl who is dancing. So the same basic figure remains the same till the body. Circle and then a bun, since we are making a woman or a girl. So since she's dancing, we can put some spikes. That means she has decorated her hair. And then dancing steps. And for the feet, now what we're going to do is, since dance cannot happen with both the feet up or both the feet down, so the one foot is going to be down on the ground and the other one small standing line, then slanting line up and then down. So this becomes our dancing girl. Now since the family is complete, so they'll be needing a home also. So let's make a home for them. We are going to make a triangle. Not exactly triangle, 2 slanting lines. And then we are going to close it with a curve. 2 standing lines. Yes. And a doll. So now a small curve here and then since in the starting only I told you that it's going to be with a lot of lines and shapes, so now in the house also we are going to make some lines. So this becomes our house. And so now everybody is going to be inside this house for how many days? 21 days. Now we are going to draw a figure wherein a child is taking a swing. So first a sleeping line and 2 curvy lines, one on left, one on right, and then we are going to make the base for the sitting and we're going to fill it up. So now we are going to make the child sit. So first make a cross here for the body and we complete the body. 2 standing lines for the neck and a circle and then 2 small plats. So now for the hands, 1 slanting line down and then 1 up touching the rope. This right side also down and then up touching the rope, and the legs are going to be hanging in the air. 2 so Now I'm going to make an animal. Let me make a horse. And for the horse we are going to use triangles. One cross for the body. And we close it. And then for the face we are going to take a slanting line up and then make another triangle here. Yes, one eye here, two little ears, and then here. And then horse needs to have a nice tail, nice ponytail, and then the legs slanting down, another down, more down, one more down, and then last, and this completes the horse. And the last figure we are going to draw is of a small plant. So I'm going to use lines and dots. So I'm taking a standing line and then some slanting lines up and down. Yes. So now for the leaves, we are just going to make slanting lines and dots like this, small. So they can be used or drawn all over. Or leaves also we can draw like this. Yeah. So these two types of leaves we can draw. One can be dots and lines and one can be small leaves. So we've done just the basic figures today, and what we can do is we can create scenes like this using these figures. Dancing girls and the boy holding an instrument. Or figures like this can also be drawn and colored. Here I have used oil pastel colors. Another is you can create bookmarks like this, and these figures can be colored in multicolors. Usually the Warli figures are white in color, but we can always innovate. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Do share your drawings at Children and Teens FB page. Thank you so much.